Of sunset. This is looking at due west. All of that, all of those layers of smoke from one of many fires just blazing here right at the moment in Utah. I'm wanting to see. So here's, blue sky. There you go. These are all layers of smoke, and no doubt pollutant as well. So I wanted to see if we could get something like a green flash here at the last moment. But at any rate, there you go. Last night, the whole sky went blood red. This is quite dramatic enough. There's some perspective to the south. There are other fires burning. Wow. And I'll show you, oh my gosh, okay. And then beautiful Park City, which I love. Well, some of this is just reflected sunset. There's just wax of smoke. Now we're looking due east. We've gone, this is a live view. We've actually gone 180 degrees. And you'll see the accompanying video on my other channel, Two Wolves Warrior. And that'll be a news feed vid. So here's the sky west. Okay. Well, finally, Two Wolves has got a fire video or two, right? That's sad. Now that's looking at another fire northeast, right toward beautiful Park City. There's a bad fire raging there. And then you can't see it from here, but to the north, the really most severe fire is on the northern border by Idaho. So, somewhat as last year, Two Wolves has got fires all around. Keep Utah in prayer, everyone. Thank you. I talk to be awesome. I will continue to send info as well as I can and watch news broadcasts from Idaho and Talk to be awesome. We are all related. Two Wolves out.